Hi Master and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And today we're cooking up chicken cordon bleu. Actually, our take on chicken cordon bleu, which is a lot healthier for you and it'll take minutes. And let's get started because our chicken is almost done. I love these chicken tenders because they fry up so fast. I'm going to flip them over already. The one side is already browning and I've literally had this on just for 1 minute just to get them started so that I'm not boring you, because I know that you know how to fry up some chicken tenders. This is just a pound of chicken tender breast and they'll be done probably in another minute. And so let's get moving on our dish today. And I like to bring you takes on recipes that are very complicated and kind of break it down for you so that you can make them in minutes, not compromise on the taste, but not spend all day in the kitchen cooking. So what we're going to do next is we are going to take this uncured, nitrate-free turkey bacon, and we are just going to put a few pieces right on our chicken. Regular chicken cordon bleu, you know, you have, you stuff it with ham and cheese and you fry it up and it's very fattening. This hardly has any calories, and if you go to my website, which is www.mindens.com, you'll see all the nutritional information and the cost per serving. And what you will find out if you look at all my back recipes, because we have been cooking together for over a year now, and thank you very much, is that most of my recipes are under 300 calories a serving. So this is going to serve 4, so we're just going to use 4 strips of the turkey bacon. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll always find a finished picture of what our dinner is going to look like. And the whole premise is you put on your YouTube, you cook along with me, and we cook together like friends every week. Next, instead of butter, I found this artichoke antipasto that I think is delicious and is so low calorie. Has a fun little flavor. We're just going to do about 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just spread it all over top. And this will replace the buttery kind of thing. It'll kind of just keep it moist for you. What I also like to use, sometimes I don't like to use real cheese, and this is an almond cheese. I love this one because imitation cheese, if you've used it before, doesn't melt well. This one melts like real cheese, tastes like real cheese, and is lactose free. We're just going to sprinkle some on top, and dinner is going to be ready in minutes. Please subscribe to our YouTube page. You will find new recipes every Monday, and you'll get first peek at the recipe, because if you subscribe, you'll get a little ding in your inbox that the new recipe is up. You just have to hit the button below. Thank you for joining us today. Catch us on Instagram for a finished picture of this dish.